When the soldering set already switched on, I have a light over here. Okay, now I switch to you can see 400 Celsius degree Celsius. Okay, I try to use it first time. So let's see what will happen. Actually, it's not blinking if you see properly. I don't know why. Maybe the frequency is. So I try to heat it up, see is whether the light will be changed to other color. It's still not desktop if I adjust it. Okay, and I can see a color, but because due to the, you can see I adjust it, can get a higher color, so you know the Celsius, where is it. Okay, now you can see I can adjust it small. Okay, so I now try for first time. Sorry, I maybe not have the best soldering skill, but I just want to try. See whether it got. I try to soldering one of piece. Okay, yeah, then I try to soldering this as well. It's moving already. Testing. So I just want to have a try. Yeah, I already take out one. Okay, let's see in front. Yeah, cannot come out. So what can I do? Yeah, when I suck it, so I can take out the still inside. See, I use the suction power to pull it out. Cannot pull out, right? Okay, still inside. Okay, hey, sorry. So I try to put it out. I hope. Just testing. we'll pull it out. Just now it come. Okay, so it become darker already. Is it a correct way to do it? Not sure. Yep. So I already got the, you can see I already got it out already. Okay. So I then try to pull it out. Yeah, successful. Successful. So I have to switch out the power. Should be let it cool down. Okay. So finally I got the 2 hole, but I think the board already damaged. Okay. Hopefully you can see my hand. Okay. Okay, that's all for the first time using. Try the bought from Lazada online, from the overseas seller from China. That's all for this video. If you like this video, first time using the soldering, bought from the online, give us a like and please subscribe to Andrew channel, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.